Did you ever just have one of those days? Residents calling that their vehicles are broken into over the weekend, a car damaged your entrance gate, or even someone breaking into your clubhouse last night? Who has the time to watch hours of security camera footage to find out what happened, assuming the cameras were even operational at the time? For almost 20 years, Watchtower Security has been the multifamily industry's first choice for video surveillance. Watchtower Security provides an all-inclusive, state-of-the-art, worry-free surveillance program exclusively designed for the multifamily industry. And being exclusive to the industry allows Watchtower to focus on tailoring their all-inclusive service directly to you and your property's needs. The installation, maintenance, and even forensic video reviews are all included for a set monthly investment. Watchtower doesn't just sell surveillance systems, though. They're in the business of partnering with their clients to make a positive impact in the community, and all of this has started with an assessment of the property. Through discussions with key team members inside your organization, they are able to learn why you're needing surveillance and what issues have occurred on the property. Knowing what is driving your need for surveillance allows Watchtower Security to plan the best possible coverage that is within your budget. Once their surveillance system is installed, Watchtower's job is just getting started. For the life of your contract, Watchtower is committed to making sure you are able to fully utilize their services. As soon as the installation is complete, Watchtower Security contacts the property in order to set up a training session. Whether you have a new team member or just want a quick refresher, Watchtower Security is happy to walk you through everything. Having a surveillance system is one of the greatest ways to protect your property. But what is the point if when you go to use it, you find out the cameras weren't even working? Throughout the life of your contract, Watchtower will maintain and service the entire surveillance system. When a camera is damaged, for whatever reason, Watchtower Security service technicians will promptly fix or replace the equipment at no charge to you. Have you ever had an issue on your property in the middle of the night? With Watchtower Security as your security partner, you don't need to rush out of bed to retrieve surveillance footage anymore. When a serious incident occurs, day or night, simply give the police Watchtower Security's toll-free number and they will be connected to an on-call forensic analyst that will assist in their investigation. Watchtower Security's forensic video review department isn't only there to help with the serious problems. Do you need to know when your team arrives and leaves for the day? Want to check if the snow removal company actually plowed when they said they did? The forensic video review analysts of Watchtower Security have the extensive training necessary to create a concise and unbiased account of any event that took place. Once the forensic analysis of the video footage has been completed, an objective video detailing the event is created and digitally delivered to you. If you have 1 or 300 properties with Watchtower Security, your interaction with their staff and your client portal will be the same. No longer will you need to deal with different surveillance systems that don't always play well with each other. With Watchtower Security, you have the same interaction across your entire portfolio. You don't always have to ask the forensic video review department to look into something. Through your client portal, you have your property at your fingertips anywhere you have an internet connection. Not only are you able to view a live feed of any camera on your property, you also have access to a feature called Rewind. Rewind allows you to access the previous 72 hours of footage from any camera in your community. The client portal is also where you're able to see past forensic video review requests and make new ones. All you have to do is mark on the map where it is believed to have taken place, provide any relevant details, and include who to contact. From your client portal, you are also able to view the status of current and past requests. You'll receive a detailed written narrative, still images of the suspect or key information, and a video of the event taking place. Watchtower Security, exclusive to multifamily and a true multifamily security partner.